I can
Might be the fastest
laptop.
group, yeah.
I have nimble finger dexterity.
IT can be complicated, but here at Worksighted, we try to make it simple. So that's why I brought some of our top engineers to help explain it. What is RAM? Have you ever heard of something called RAM?
A kind of rope.
A type of animal.
I do not know. A train. It has curly horns.
Yeah. Where does it live?
Antarctica.
RAM is something that's in a computer to help it go really fast. So imagine your body is a computer. Where would the RAM go?
RAM would go to my muscles. Oh, the legs. Right here. I'm a computer. I'm a computer. It would go in my brain.
Great. So this is called a motherboard. Can you say motherboard?
Motherboard.
And it's like a puzzle. Can you guys figure out where the RAM goes?
That is connected to us.
That's awesome. That's exactly where it goes. That's so fun. Reach out to Worksighted and we'll show you just how simple IT can be. Though it looks like we have some work to do.
I do not know.
So,
I do not know. I do not know. I do not know.